Difference between MBA and PGDM. MBA, Master of Business Administration, and PGDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Management, are both popular management courses, but they differ in affiliation, recognition, and course structure. An MBA is a degree program offered by universities and colleges affiliated with recognized government bodies like UGC, University Grants Commission. It follows a more theoretical and standardized curriculum, focusing on business concepts, management principles, and leadership skills. The degree is universally accepted for higher education and government jobs. A PGDM is a diploma program offered by autonomous institutes recognized by bodies like AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. PGDM courses are often industry-oriented and updated more frequently to match current business trends. Some top business schools like IIMs and XLRI offer PGDM programs, which can be equally or even more valued than an MBA, depending on the institute's reputation. In summary, MBA is a university-granted degree with a focus on academic theory, while PGDM is an autonomous diploma that often emphasizes practical, industry-relevant skills. Both programs aim to build strong management careers, and the choice depends on individual goals and the institution's standing. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.